announcements. That's the way it is.
I had finally found a passing point and was now back in the chase.
Really shifting now. Really, really, really moving. No time to lose. 80 miles an hour. Ha-ha!
Meanwhile...
Penis is my tannoy.
Hello, chaps. Can I offer you refreshments?
Certainly. Got a coffee, please?
No.
Do you have any chance for a Danish pastry, please?
No.
Oh, slow it down by 1 mile an hour. This isn't the fastest train in the world. I'm sure Jeremy will claim his goes faster, but ours carries more people. And that's the point of a train. It's mass transport. I mean, what Jeremy's built essentially is a business jet, but that's out of the reach of the vast majority of people.
Anything else I can get you, Fred boy? No, no.
Oh dear. It appears my colleagues have a bit of a problem. James?
What?
Your train's on fire.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Right.
Well, there we are.
Once again, then, it looked like I would be the first to our destination.
We're nearly at the end now. And what an epic voyage this has been. Leicester, well, nearly